Hi, welcome back. I hope you are safe in your home. I here with my new video. How to draw realistic portrait of cat. I'm using some cheap materials for this drawing like package paper, is color brand, and it is only 2 or 3 rupees. 130 GSM paper. Okay. It is not best for realistic drawing, but it is good for beginner and for practice. I using graphite pencil 2B, 3, 4B, 6B. You can purchase any brand, okay? And you know what? The most interesting in this video, this pen. I use this pen for ignition technique. You think this pen for ignition technique? Yes, this pen for ignition. It is very awesome idea. You see this technique in my video. So let's start a video.
Firstly, I draw a first layer with 3B pencil and after blend the shades with the brush. Using brush very lightly and don't pressure the paper. And now using a 8B pencil for darken areas. Using pencil very lightly, not pressure the paper. And use a pencil eraser for highlighting. Now my one eye is completed. And second eye we will apply same method. If you see my video in first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I using this empty pen for ignition technique. Firstly I draw a line with the shape of hairs and after shade with 6B pencil and darken areas using a 8B pencil. You see amazing lines created. This way you draw out real hairs with this technique. This technique is best for hairs, for animals and human hairs. And friends, if you like my video, so don't forget to hit the like button and help to grow up my channel. This way I will draw a whole hair of cat. If you haven't watched my previous video, the link given in description box. I hope it might be helpful for you. Here I using graphite powder and creating some dots with pencil eraser. Again using graphite powder for background. This way my portrait have completed.